Good morning to all of you. My name is Rajni. I study in 12th standard. Today I am here to discuss the topic of external environment. In previous video, I had already discussed about the internal environment. So let's start our topic. What is external environment? External environment include all those factors which influence the working of an business enterprise and exist outside the business. These factors have no controls over the business. External environment is further classified into two parts. First one is microenvironment. Second one is macroenvironment. What is microenvironment? Microenvironment includes all those factors with which the business is closely related. These factors influence every industrial unit differently. These factors are customers. Customers of every industrial units are different. They may be household industrial unit, commercial units or government, etc. They can influence every business unit differently. In case there are only one customer, if a good government or household sector, the business unit only supply goods to government. It means the company has only one customer and that is government. In any case, their relation gets short or the supply of good will stop. In this case, the disclosure of the firm is certain. Second one is suppliers. Like the customer, the supplier also influence the company. In case the company has only one supplier and in any case their relation get annoyed or short because of any of the reason and the supplier denied to supply the goods further. In this case, the existence of company came in endangered. Third one is public. Public consists of various constituents like local public, press, media, etc. They influence the working of any business enterprise. Like if media reports some news about any particular company in positive way. Next one is marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediates also influence the company. These are the person who reduces the distance of the customers and producer. They provide goods to customer from producers. Next one is macroenvironment. What is macroenvironment? Macroenvironment includes all those factors with which the business is related distinctly. These factors can be learned from the term PESTLE. P stands for political, E stands for economic, S stands for social, T stands for technological and L and E stand for legal. These are the factors of macro environment. Firstly, we discuss about the political environment. What is political environment? Political environment consists of all the political conditions prevailing in the country. They may be the general stability or peace in the country and government attitude toward the businesses. Second one is economic. Economic environment consists of economic condition, economic policy, etc. prevailing in the country. They influence the business of every unit differently. Third one is social. Social environment consists of social values, tradition, fashion, wishes, living standard, etc. and businessmen cannot overlook them. Fourth one is technological. Technological environment consists of innovation of new techniques to produce goods and services and operating the business in new techniques and innovative ways. Last one is legal. Legal environment consists of all the acts passed by government, actions taken by legislative and decision making by all the agencies and commission appointed at the local, state and center level. Thank you and have a nice day.